Integrating Hubspot with Mailchimp. As a marketer, you're likely no stranger to the importance of email marketing and lead generation. Two popular tools that can help you achieve these goals are Hubspot and Mailchimp. While both tools offer a range of features, integrating them can take your marketing efforts to the next level. In this video, we'll explore how to integrate Hubspot with Mailchimp, making it easier to manage your email campaigns and track your leads. To get started, you'll need to create a new integration in Hubspot. This can be done by navigating to the Integrations tab in your Hubspot account and clicking on Create Integration. From there, you'll select Mailchimp as the integration type and follow the prompts to authenticate your account. Once you've authenticated your Mailchimp account, you'll need to map the fields between the two tools. This includes mapping the email address field in Mailchimp to the contact email field in Hubspot. You'll also need to map the lead source field in Mailchimp to the lead source field in Hubspot. With the fields mapped, you can now start sending emails from Mailchimp directly to your Hubspot contacts. This allows you to track your email campaigns and see which leads are generated from each email. You can also use the lead source field to categorize your leads and track the effectiveness of your email campaigns. In addition to sending emails, you can also use the integration to sync your Hubspot contacts with Mailchimp. This allows you to manage your email lists and contacts in one place, making it easier to stay organized and focused on your marketing efforts. By integrating Hubspot with Mailchimp, you can streamline your marketing workflow and improve your lead generation efforts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing marketing strategy, this integration can help you achieve your goals.